former U.S. President Donald Trump may soon face criminal charges in connection with the payment of hush money to the adult entertainer Stormy Daniels, The New York Times reported Thursday, citing 4 unnamed people with knowledge of the matter. According to the Times, prosecutors with the Manhattan District Attorney's Office extended an offer for Trump to testify next week before a grand jury considering the evidence in the prospective case against the twice-impeached ex-president, who is seeking the Republican nomination for 2024. At issue is a $130,000 payment made to Daniels, an adult film star who claims she had an affair with Trump, by former fixer Michael Cohen during the last days of the 2016 U.S. presidential election. Trump subsequently reimbursed Cohen for the payment. Cohen has not yet testified before the grand jury, but is expected to do so on an undetermined date. Trump has faced an array of criminal investigations and special counsel inquiries over the years but has never been charged with a crime, underscoring the gravity of Mr. Bragg's inquiry, the Times trio wrote. The journalists further asserted that Bragg could become the first prosecutor to charge Mr. Trump, but he might not be the last, noting that the Fulton County District Attorney's Office in Georgia is investigating whether the former president interfered in the 2020 election. And at the federal level, a special counsel is scrutinizing Mr. Trump's effort to overturn the election results, as well as his handling of classified documents, the reporters added. Mark Pomerantz, one of 2 prosecutors involved with the Manhattan District Attorney's investigation of the ex-president who resigned in protest last year, wrote in his new book, People vs. Donald Trump, an inside account, that we developed evidence convincing us that Donald Trump had committed serious crimes involving his finances and business practices.
I've noticed that 99% of you are not subscribed, so smash the subscribe button and leave a like
As
if
we
you
put
want
the
to see
facts
more
together,
content like
many
this.
of us came to believe that we had enough evidence to convict him, and we could present a solid case in court that would lead to a guilty verdict, Pomerantz related. Asked in a recent CBS 60 Minutes interview what he would advise Bragg in regard to Trump, Pomerantz replied, "This was a righteous case. You should bring it. It's important. And if you made the wrong decision, make a better decision." Bragg retorted that after closely reviewing all the evidence from Mr. Pomerantz's investigation, I came to the same conclusion as several senior prosecutors involved in the case, and also those I brought on, more work was needed. Put another way, Mr. Pomerantz's plane wasn't ready for takeoff. Separately, a New York jury last December found 2 subsidiaries of the Trump Organization, Trump's company, guilty on all counts of criminal tax fraud. The former president's organization was subsequently ordered to pay a $1.6 million penalty for what a judge called systemic, egregious fraud. Also last December, the former congressional committee that investigated the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol by supporters of the Trump's big lie unanimously voted to recommend federal criminal charges against the former president and some of his associates in connection with the insurrection. Given Trump's 2024 presidential run, U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland has appointed a special counsel.